Pwede ba ako magreklamo kahit security guard reliever lang all 9 days rahod ko, hindi binigay sa akin? Well, sir, pwedeng-pwede po magreklamo. Bakit po? Kasi may batas po tayo niyan sa Labor Code of the Philippines. Alright? So, panoorin po ninyo ang full video. So, disclaimer po, hindi po tayo abogado, but professor po tayo, business coach, business consultant, and resource speaker po for seminar and webinar. And nagbabasa po tayo ng codals and law books. Alright? So ito na po yung sagot natin. Article 116, Labor Code of the Philippines, withholding of wages and kickbacks. It shall be unlawful for any person, directly or indirectly, to withhold any amount from the wages of a worker or induce him to give up any part of his wages by force, stealth, intimidation, threat, or by any other means whatsoever without the worker's consent. Simply said, friends, bawal po yan, no? At unlawful po if ang sweldo ng empleyado ay hindi natin i-release or i-withhold natin under Labor Code of the Philippines, Article 116. So yung 9 days po ninyo na duty, sir, as guard reliever, makukuha po niya yan, sir. Siguro po, on process pa siguro yung sweldo ninyo. So, ang gawin po ninyo, sir, is i-follow up nyo lang po sa agency or sa payroll in charge. Or mas maganda po, sir, is magsulat po kayo sa management to request for the release of your sweldo. Kasi po baka nakalimutan or na-delay lang po ng HR or payroll in charge or accounting ng agency ninyo. So magsulat kayo, sir, sa manager ng agency or security agency ninyo. Kasi po meron din tayong batas po, sir, na within 15 days dapat may reply na po yung sulat po ninyo. Anong batas po ito? Ito po. Section 5 po yan, sir, of Republic Act 6713, otherwise known as the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials and Employees, provides all public officials and employees shall, within 15 working days from receipt hereof, respond to letters, telegrams, or other means of communications sent by the public. The reply must contain the action taken on the request. If I'm not mistaken po, pwede po ito i-apply sa mga private companies like yung mga security agency. Kasi po, batas po ito, right? Republic Act 6713. So ngayon po, kung walang reply, after 15 days, pwede na po kayo magreklamo sa NLRC or DOLE. Kasi po, natapos nyo na po yung legal process, nagsulat na po kayo sa management ng security agency, naggawa na kayo ng letter, then wala pa rin reply after 15 days. So, ang magandang gawin ninyo, sir, is magreklamo na po kayo sa DOLE or NLRC. Opo, may mga labor arbiters po yan, mga abogado po dyan sa NLRC. Okay po, actually may video ako niyan. Please watch in my channel about NLRC. Thank you and hope na nasagot ko yung question po ninyo, sir. Please like, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.